Okay, would you please introduce yourself?
Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Maylin G. Cabreza. I'm from the province of Surigao del Norte, and I live here in General Trias, Cavite. And I'm a college level bachelor taking course of Bachelor of Technical Teacher Education, major in English for 1 year course. And I have one brother and I have 5 sisters, and I am sixth of the family. And I have 2 children. The younger is 10 years old, and the eldest is 12 years old.
Okay, so do you have experience abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In the ma'am KSA.
So how long did you work in KSA?
4 years and 5 months.
So what are your duties and responsibility?
Household chores, ironing, washing, and cooking.
Okay, so how old is the child that you take care?
The newborn from 0 to 1 year old, and the elder is 68 years old, and the children are 7 and 10 years old.
Okay, so how many are they in the family?
They are 5 members in the family.
Only one helper in the house?
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you prefer to take care, newborn or children?
Feeding milk,
So what do you want to take care, either newborn or children? What do you
newborn and children.
Newborn and children is okay. Okay, so if your holiday is not on Sunday, do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to share room with babies, children, and elderly?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to work with another helper?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of dog or cat?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you willing to take care of disabled?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you drink alcohol or smoke
No, ma'am.
regularly? Do you eat pork?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have tattoo?
Yes, ma'am.
Where?
In the chest.
Do you have vision problems?
No,
Do
ma'am.
you hold any certificate like first aid, caregiver, nurse, and babysitter?
No, ma'am.
Have you any prolonged illnesses undergone surgery?
No, ma'am.
Have you ever involved in any criminal labor police cases?
No, ma'am.
So if ever you will hire in Hong Kong, who will take care of your 2 children?
My sister, ma'am.
So your sister have children or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's okay for her to take
Yes,
care of you?
ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.